All right, fried chicken, a dime a dozen in Jamaica, and a staple at every lunchtime cook shop. Crispy, juicy, and tender, some of the qualities of really great fried chicken. But how do restaurants keep you coming back for more? Well, the owner of Plates by Sab, Chef Sabrina Prendergast. There she is with her pretty smile. She's going to tell us all about that. Morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you again.
Right.
What's Plates by Sab?
Plates by Sab is now a cook shop for now. It originally started as like private catering, but then we realized that persons want to have a new lunch spot with good Jamaican food, which ironically you can't really find in Jamaica. Like good Jamaican food Monday through Friday at all times in terms of like fried chicken, curry goat, oxtail, that you want to dine, you want to sit down and eat. A cook shop usually walk in and step up, but we actually have tables and chairs set up. We just haven't painted yet, but you want to dine. Okay. We don't have much dining spots, we have a lot of cook shops. So we want to kind of move Plates to become a dining spot.
Okay. You want to move or you have moved it to a dining spot?
Well, we're at a public location. We want it to become a dining spot.
Where is it?
124 Old Hope Road, in between Caribbean Airlines and Peter and Paul.
Okay.
So we don't want it to be, right.
Yeah.
We don't want it to have the same vibe of you just walk in and step out. We want you to sit and dine. Yeah. So we have tables and chairs, but in terms of the ambience.
A nice location.
Yeah.
We're talking about this easy way to do it with fried chicken. You ain't just fried.
No.
Then you get up the fried chicken if you're not fried.
Okay, well, you can fry chicken in a pot, but I prefer to fry it in a deep fryer, which I have here.
A deep fryer?
Yes. You actually have a marker in the deep fryer that tells you how much oil to put in there. It has a maximum line, so
move that so
the oil is actually at the maximum line now, so you won't see the word max.
Yeah. So it tells you plenty of oil that goes up.
But it tells you the line.
So it tells you.
Yeah, it gauges it for you.
Does that mean like somebody like me who is not a big time chef could have do this easy?
Right, because it's guiding you of where to stop with the oil.
All right, so it stop here now. What else to tell you must do?
The temperature here, and this is a timer.
Yeah, but you still need to know what temperature to put it, or I tell you that too.
Okay, well, these are kind of rubbed off, but the 255 right here is the temperature that I use on this particular fryer.
But that's what you use.
That's what I use.
So you're not suggesting that is that going to make it easy?
But with an industrial fryer, which is the big one with the two baskets, it's 350 for that one.
So
but for this home domestic fryer, it would be 255.
All right, so you know where to put the oil, you know the temperature,
right.
And you just put in the chicken and go sleep?
No. So you have seasoned flour here.
Seasoned flour?
Yes. A quick way is to use Cajun seasoning. It basically has all the blend that you need for a French fried chicken. If you don't want to put your own salt and all-purpose and complete seasoning, etc., this is basically the magic plug.
Hold on,
this
hold on. I'm here dealing with it now. You have a good time with me.
You want me to tell you what's in this?
No.
Okay.
It's all right. What is in it?
I don't know. I'm going to read the thing on the back.
Oh, you're going to read it. Let me not do that. Let me tell you what's in it. Well, first thing, it's not foreign language. Dehydrated vegetables, garlic and onion, spices including paprika, salt, and tricalcium phosphate. I didn't know exactly that one. I know if I find it. All right, so then what you do now? Next move.
So this is the dry rub. You can put this directly on the chicken as well as seasoning your flour with it.
Yeah.
I soak my chicken in a wet marinade, but I can't tell you what's in the wet marinade. So
hold on, why you can't tell me?
Because it's a secret.
You can't have secret on national television.
But then no one will come and buy my chicken. Because you can cook it at home.
All right, for the basic one, what you do? Outside of your fancy stuff, what would you do too?
For a wet marinade?
Yeah.
Just like how you'd season, for example, stew chicken, you'd put your onion, your garlic, your whatever. Yeah. You can basically cut that up, soak your chicken in a little bit of water and put that on top and make that soak overnight. And then take the seasoning off and put the dry one on it. Because you're not going to put the onion and garlic in the fryer itself. You just want it to season the chicken. So that's an overnight process.
So having said all of what you just said, how long it take now when you just throw it in the they already measured oil, they already measured temperature. How long it take?
Well, once it gets to the right temperature, and then this green light will come on to indicate that the chicken is ready to go in.
It don't come out yet?
Can't really tell if it's on or not.
No, red light, that. Red light.
Wait, it kind of has a short too, so it may not work with me by showing you the green light.
So what you can.
But the green light is supposed to indicate that it's ready.
It's not
and then
ready,
it takes
the red
10
light
to
that
12
is on.
minutes.
10 to 12 minutes, which we do have time. So you'd have just throw it in and it,
You would dip it. Oh, can I show you how to coat the
I
chicken?
would prefer, from when me I wait for you.
All right.
Because,
So
like, one man eat half the food before you leave.
I use my hand because, funnily, if you kind of stush it up and use a fork, it doesn't coat properly. So you have to use your hand.
That don't make no sense.
No, seriously. Like if I was to use this now and be trying to,
Yeah.
it comes out differently.
But
I've tried
the
it.
same amount
I've tried it though. I've tried it. Like I know for a fact. So there's something about using your hand that makes sure it's coated properly. Oh, another thing. Using the deep fryer and having it at the right temperature also ensures that the flour doesn't fall off.
Sabrina, you plan for putting in something anytime today.
Okay.
But you're not ready yet. It's not a green light yet.
I'm telling you, it may not ever come on.
Oh.
But it's hot.
If you put it in a regular pot and oil and stuff,
Yeah.
without the deep fryer, how long it'll take?
Well, the thing about that is it doesn't cook evenly. You have like one side will look darker than the other.
Okay.
So that's what the temperature thing helps you
Me
to
like
not
how that
overcook
look.
the
So
chicken.
you don't put on back the top?
No,
No?
no,
Then oil now go fly all about the place, huh?
no.
No? So you just look at it now and wait the 10 minutes?
10 to 12 minutes, depending on the type of the piece of chicken it is. Because leg and thigh take longer to cook than breast and wings.
And of course you put in what?
Leg.
So why you bring the one that will take longer? You
the breast is bigger.
You don't
The
want
breast
nobody
is-
eat the food in the seat, Sabrina.
I have food right there to eat.
Sabrina, man. Sabrina said leg and thigh take longer and she bring leg.
But
Sabrina.
I plated this for you. I cooked this
All right.
here.
Quickly again, tell me where is Plates by Sam.
124 Old Hope Road.
All right, good.
Beside Caribbean Airlines parking lot.
Come on, great to see you.
Great to see you.
Always. By the way, folks, if you're interested, the West Indies, they've won. Pakistan made 106 and we knocked it off for 3. So we win by 7 wickets. Chris Gayle, an even 50 with 6 fours and 3 6 in the 50. Make a flat 50 and gone. So West Indies, 1 up in the World Cup. Thanks again, owner of Plates by Sab, Chef Sabrina Prendergast. More and smile after the break, who sound exactly like another Prendergast.